Good afternoon and welcome to week 7. I hope you've been enjoying all of the weeks so far as we continue our exploration of hospitality and building upon last week when we talked about restaurant business and you thought about owning your own restaurant in the assignment. This week we're going to think more about how to manage that. And so by the end of this module, my hope is that you'll be able to describe what happens in the restaurant's front of house operations, and then also, of course, how back of house impacts that. Explain how restaurants forecast their business. Describe restaurant service, which you can do through the service evaluations as well. And then we'll talk about some of the financials in restaurant management. So that's how the week of information is laid out. And I do also have some reminders for some of the other assignments that are due. If you would like to head to the assignments link and just make sure that you're up to date on submitting all of your assignments. I've been struggling to get a beverage discussion posted because I was looking to get more of the beverage assignment submitted. So please take note that I have you're still able to submit. I think submitting late is better than not submitting at all. Additionally, thank you. A couple of individuals who are trying to work on their hospitality portfolio made mention to me that they weren't able to submit, so I have fixed that link. So if you were frustrated by that, I do apologize, and I have fixed it. So we do have some math this week because there's some operating ratios. It's just one. But as always, if you have any questions or if you desire another Zoom office hours, which of course would be optional, either just a one-on-one or if you wanted me to open it up for a group, I'm happy to do so, and let me know the best day and time that works for you. And I'm happy to try to arrange my schedule. And again, also, if you have any questions, I do have a discussion post started on any other questions that you might have as well that maybe some of your colleagues might benefit from. I do hope you have a great week. I think the air is cleaning up a little bit. We, of course, still have a pandemic, and that does drastically impact the hospitality industry, but I hope that you're all doing well during this time, and have a great week. Thank you.